الكريم أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إن الدين عند الله الإسلام صدق الله العظيم. Dear audience and respected teacher and all my present students, thanks for me all my presence. Dear audience, Islam is the best and latest religion in the world. Our prophet is Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam speak to the hadith. Bunya al-Islamu ala khamsin, shahadati an la ilaha illallah wa anna Muhammadar Rasulullah wa iqami as-salah wa ita'i az-zakah wal hajji wa sawmi Ramadan. The Islam 5 pillars of. They are faith, salat, siyam, hajj and zakat. The Muslims follow him. We believe in Allah and His Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Allah has given us the Quran. He is advises us to lead Islamic life according to the Quran. Our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the best example before us. We shall go back to Allah and face to trial. Dear audience, Al-Quranu Kitabullah, the Quran books of Allah. Allah sent prophet to teach people. These prophets were great teachers. Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was the last prophet. Allah speak to the Quran, ما كان محمد أبا أحد من رجالكم ولكن رسول الله وخاتم النبيين. Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam speak to the hadith, أنا خاتم النبيين لا نبي بعدي. Dear audience, Allah give books to prophets. Allah give the Jabur to Prophet Dawood alayhi salam. Allah speak to the Quran, وَآتَيْنَا دَاوُودَ الزَّبُورَ. Allah give the Tawrat to Prophet Musa alayhi salam. Allah give the Injil to Prophet Isa alayhi salam. Allah give the Quran to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam. Allah speak to the Quran, كِتَابٌ أَنزَلْنَاهُ إِلَيْكَ لِتُخْرِجَ النَّاسِ مِنَ الظُّلُمَاتِ إِلَى النُّورِ. Dear audience, the Quran, it is complete book. The Quran, it is true. We can reading through the Quran. We can respect the Quran. Because our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam speak to the hadith, خيركم من تعلم القرآن وعلمه. Who is the best person of you who learns the Quran and teaches it? Dear audience, the Quran, it is a holy book. Not touch the Quran when hands are dirty. Because Allah speak to the Quran, لا يمسه إلا المطهرون. Not touch the Quran when hands are dirty. Dear audience, thank you all my present teachers and students. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.